Welcome to English Easy Talk. This podcast will help your listening skills. If English sounds too fast, stay here. Today you will hear real conversations. Let's begin your listening journey.
Hello and welcome, everyone. Many learners struggle with listening. That's completely normal. We'll practice step by step today. Relax and just listen.
Listening is the key to speaking well. Without listening, speaking feels hard. Native speakers talk fast and naturally. This scares many learners, but we will fix this today.
Yes, listening comes before speaking. You don't need to understand every word. Focus on meaning, not translation. Your brain will adjust naturally. Practice is the secret.
Today's conversations are simple and real. They happen in daily life. You can hear them anywhere, at work, at home, with friends. That's why they are useful.
These are not textbook examples. They are natural and practical. Native speakers use them every day. You will hear real speed English. Don't worry, we guide you.
First, just listen carefully. Don't repeat yet. Let the sound enter your mind. Notice the rhythm and tone. This is passive listening.
Later, you can repeat after us. That is active listening. Both are important. Today, we mix both styles. Let's move forward.
Hey, are you free this afternoon? I was thinking about coffee. There's a nice place nearby. It won't take long. What do you think?
That sounds nice, actually. I finish work at 4. We can meet after that. Let's keep it casual. I'll text you later.
Notice how simple the words are, but they sound natural together. This is real spoken English. Short sentences are powerful. Listening helps you feel this.
Yes, native English is not complicated. It's about flow and timing. Listening trains your ear. Your confidence will grow. Keep listening daily.
Sorry, I'm running a bit late. Traffic is really bad today. I should be there soon, maybe 10 more minutes. Thanks for waiting.
No worries at all. Take your time. I just arrived myself. Let me know when you're close. Drive safely.
This conversation is very common. You hear it everywhere. Late meetings happen daily. Listening to these helps memory. Your brain saves patterns.
Exactly. Patterns are important. You don't memorize words. You remember situations. That's how fluency grows. Listening builds that skill.
Now focus on pronunciation. Notice how words connect. Native speakers link sounds. This is called connected speech. Listening trains this naturally.
You don't need grammar rules here. Your ears learn automatically. Children learn this way too. Trust the process. Stay consistent.
Did you understand the meeting today? Some parts were confusing for me. They talked very fast. I missed a few details. What about you?
Yes, it was a bit fast, but I got the main idea. I asked questions later. That really helped me. Don't be afraid to ask.
Main idea is more important. Details come later. Listening is not about perfection. It's about understanding meaning. This reduces stress.
Stress blocks learning. Relaxed listening works better. Enjoy the conversation. Let mistakes happen. Progress will follow.
Now imagine this conversation. Visualize the situation. This improves listening power. Your brain connects sound and image. This is a strong technique.
Yes, imagination helps memory. Try this at home. While listening, see the scene. You will remember more. Practice this daily.
What are you doing this weekend? Any plans so far? I'm thinking of relaxing, maybe watching a movie. Nothing special planned.
Same here, actually. I just want some rest. It was a long week. Maybe we can catch up. Let's decide later.
Weekend conversations are very common. They use easy language, perfect for listening practice. Repeat them often. They sound natural.
Yes, simple topics are best. Don't start with hard news. Daily life English is easier. Build your base first, then go harder.
Listening daily is more important. 10 minutes is enough. Consistency beats long sessions. Make it a habit. Your ears will improve.
Even while walking or relaxing, you can listen anywhere. That's the power of podcasts. Use small, free moments. They add up.
Can you help me with this? I'm not sure what to do. It's a bit confusing. I tried already, but I need advice.
Of course, I can help. Show me what you have. We'll fix it together. Don't worry about it. That's what friends are for.
Helping conversations are emotional. They build connection. Listening helps you feel emotion, not just words. That's real fluency.
Emotion improves understanding. Tone matters a lot. Listening teaches tone. This is advanced learning, but very powerful.
Now you are improving already. Your ear is adjusting. You may not feel it yet, but it's happening. Trust the process.
Many learners quit too early. Don't make that mistake. Results come slowly, but they are real. Keep listening.
Repeat favorite conversations. Repetition builds confidence. The second time feels easier. The third time feels natural. This is progress.
Yes, repetition is not boring. It's training. Athletes repeat moves too. Language is the same. Practice makes fluency.
Soon, speaking becomes easier. Because listening prepared you. Your mouth follows your ears. This is the right order. Listening first, speaking later.
Many learners reverse this. They try speaking too early. That causes fear. Listening removes that fear. It builds confidence.
Now you understand why listening matters. It's the foundation. Without it, progress is slow. With it, progress is natural. Stay focused on listening.
Make listening your daily habit. Short, real conversations, like the ones today. This is the best method. Simple and effective.
You can replay this podcast. Listen again tomorrow. Notice new details. Your understanding will grow. That's a good sign.
Every replay feels different. That means learning is happening. Celebrate small wins. They matter a lot. You are improving.
Soon, English will sound familiar, not foreign anymore. Your brain adapts. This is natural learning. Enjoy the journey.
Don't rush fluency. It comes with time. Daily listening helps most. Be patient with yourself. You are doing great.
We are almost at the end. You did a great job listening. This practice really matters. Keep going every day. Your future English will thank you.
Thank you for listening today. We hope this helped you. More episodes are coming soon. Each one builds your skill. Stay connected with us.
Subscribe to English Easy Talk. For real English practice, new podcasts every week. Listening made simple. See you next time.
Like and share this podcast. Help other learners too. Comment your experience below. Keep listening and learning. Goodbye for now.